I was like, wow. Yeah, it's very good. It's very good to go live. Honestly, I would try. I would try and be going this live. I don't know why I'm tired of doing this. But you guys are here to ginger me. You guys are here. I'm so happy. I'll be going live, honestly. My invitation is not counting, Joe. Now, wow, I don't know what is the problem. I don't know what is the problem. But it should count. Your invitations should count. Honestly, if you invite people and the person click, even ordinary click will count for you. Talk more of when someone registered with your referral code. I believe people are just ignoring the invitation. Once they click, it should count for you. It should count for you. I think it should count for you. I don't know how you would check it. Maybe you can call one of your cousin, your friend, somebody you know too well, you understand, and tell the person to register. Let's see, just do it and check whether it will not count. I believe they're not clicking and they're not registering with it. That's why. I don't know. Anyway, I can't tell. But just try this before you conclude that they're not counting for you. Jaichima have completed all the tasks. Okay. Just remain clicks and invitation. Chai, don't worry. You will get there soon. You will get there. Once you have up to 10 clicks and 5 invites, don't worry, you'll get there. You'll get there. Oh, I'm done with the watermelon. So, I'll move over to this one. This is mango time. Come and join me. Jai Chima, are you still there? Keep it up. It's really fun. Make sure your monetization is on so you don't lose money. Really? I didn't even check whether it's on or not. So, oh, let me check. Now, let me check. Important. Honestly, Jesus. Jesus, I did check. How will I even go? Where will I go to check this thing now? Hmm? Where will I go to check this thing now? Oh, Jesus. Hey, how will I check this? I'm just enjoying my life without checking whether it's on monetization or not. Hi, Jesus. How will I check this? Hmm? Um, um, but this is supposed to be go to edit. Where is edit? But this is supposed to be automatic, Ikwano, eh? Especially the live. And I can't even find the edit. I can't find any edit here. Oh my God. How will I do this? Oh, no. What I'm seeing here is share and add guest. Let me click on add guest to see whether I can see other things under it. Uh-huh. Available. Sure. Others are me.